Good day, everyone. Today, we will discuss about disclosure of GENai in YouTube. Here's the picture of it when we upload. Did you know that not disclosing this AI disclosure on YouTube will expose your channel at risks? According to YouTube, creators who consistently choose not to disclose this information may be subject to manual application of label or penalties from YouTube, including removal of content or suspension from YouTube Partner Program. When you must disclose, you're only required to select yes if the AI creates photorealistic content that alters the truth of the video, such as making a real person look like they are doing something or saying something they didn't. Like MJ eating spaghetti, you must say yes. SpongeBob singing Die with a Smile, you must say yes. Altering footage of real place or event so it looks like it actually happened. As for example, making a real building look like it exploded, tsunamis, tornadoes in the toilet, etc. Moreover, generating a completely realistic scene that looks like it happens in real life footage but is fully synthetic. By the way, when can you say no? You can say no if your AI usage was limited to beauty filters or skin smoothing visual enhancements like hiding your skin pores. It doesn't count. Hiding your blackheads, it also doesn't count. And hiding your pimple on the nose, it doesn't count. Next, we have color correction and lighting adjustments like creating a disco ambience, special effects like background blur or vintage film filters, audio cleanup like AI noise reduction or equalization, productivity tasks like generating scripts, video ideas, or automatic captions. That is a no. To summarize the ideas, say yes if you fake events or scenarios, and say no if you used AI to just beautify or decorate your videos. Goodbye and subscribe for more updates. Bye! Thank you.